Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the doors for the coupe. We got these doors. Someone blessed us with 2 doors for the race car. So they're not in the best conditions, but it don't matter since they are for the race car. We're going to clean them up, take the panels off, and cut them. Eventually we were going to get it to the body shop to get painted, but right now they are great for what we need them for. So stay through the video so you can see the finished product and wish me luck. Yeah. Panel. Alright, I'm ready. Safety. 2. Door. So far it's looking like this. Little tool upgrade. Snap on. Fancy. Alright, this is where we're at right now. Need a little break. Up here we just need the corner and then here. That's it. But in the meantime, we'll just serve donut and coffee. Cheers. Cutting that thing is harder than I thought. But I hope it comes out clean, 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 clean. Alright, so one door is done. I'm still hesitant about cutting these bars in here. I've seen people do it, but I'm gonna do more research and make sure that I don't fuck it up. But this is how it's looking so far. I just gotta vacuum more and clean it up. Now, next door. Alright, so I finished up with the doors. I cleaned them up a little bit. As you can see, we have some dents and scratches, so we do have to send them to the body shop. So this one, but this is how they look now. We did pretty good. Let me turn it around, and this is what it looked like in the inside. I'm gonna leave those bars for now, for extra support. You never know, but that's what they look like. So yep, that's it for today for the stores. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully this helps out a little bit if you're cutting your own doors. It is a pain in the ass. It literally took me the whole day. I was not expecting that, but it was totally worth it. They look pretty clean. Just need a little bit more extra work, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.